Welcome back. Now in this video you are looking at the website Fiverr, and that's because if you want to have a voiceover done as an alternative, maybe you don't feel comfortable with what you are able to produce and you'd like to have someone else do it. And Fiverr is just like any other online marketplace. You're going to want to find someone with the best rating who can actually get your voiceover done within the time frame that you want them. And so what you want to do is you want to start with someone who's got a great rating and who can meet your specifications. And typically you can find someone who's willing to go beyond the $5 price depending on what it is that you want to do. For example, here's someone who will do as much as a $25 voiceover for you for about 2,500 words. So again, you want to determine what your project is going to look like. Typically, if you're going to have more than one animated video, it's best to put together a bundle price and then to approach the service provider who has a higher rating. You can also find someone in the Warriors for Hire section, and a simple search voiceover will yield good results. So again, it really depends on how you want to process what you're doing in your video. Typically, if you have someone who knows the lingo of what you're doing, it's going to be a better voiceover artist than someone who is just reading. Someone who understands what it is that you are even trying to say in your video is going to be even better, and because they're going to know how to emphasize the right points, and you're not going to have them redo anything multiple times because they didn't quite understand exactly where you were coming from. Now, because you are going to be providing the script, really the only point that's going to be different is you're going to bring that voiceover into your video editing software. In this case, we're using Camtasia. Whatever you're using in terms of video editing, you're going to bring that document in, and then you're going to edit it, and you're going to add in any music or anything else that you want in order to make your video accurate. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.